My name is Mpho Tladi. I've recently completed my PhD from the University of the Witwatersrand Political Studies Department. And the paper that I've written essentially is an exploration of the mechanics of the middle range theory that I'm proposing, which is actually called the Triadic model of democratic conflict. And I'm exploring its applicability across the coalition politics of the city of Johannesburg. My abstract is as follows. Well, the title of the paper is Governing the Ungovernable City, Johannesburg's Long-Term Coalition Instability as a Barrier to Long-Term Planning. The city of Johannesburg Metropolitan Municipality has become a primary testing ground for the limits of coalition politics in post-apartheid South Africa. Since its first hung council in 2016, the city has been governed by a series of fragile alliances characterized by shifting power dynamics and short-term tactical calculations by politicians. The paper argues that the resulting instability is not merely a political inconvenience, but a structural barrier to the city's longer-term planning. Specifically, the volatile nature of coalition governance has led to the non-approval and stagnation of the review of the Growth and Development Strategy 2040. Consequently, the city suffers from a strategic vacuum where the intergenerational imperatives are sacrificed for immediate political expediency or survival. Building on the Triadic model of democratic conflict, this paper extends its application through an empirical case study demonstrating how the model explains not only the mechanics of coalition instability, but its concrete institutional consequences, specifically the structural incapacitation of the GDS 2040. The model is anchored in Claude Lefort's concept of the empty place of power, and then it's also reinforced by Peter Hudson's notion of the colonial unconscious, which situates democratic indeterminacy within the historical legacy of colonialism. The paper engages with how ideological formations continue to structure political subjectivity and institutional behavior through the post-colony. The model dissects the struggle for power across three axes: vertical sovereign authorization, horizontal elite coalition making, and latitudinal symbolic contestation. Using this model, the analysis demonstrates that the GDS cannot survive in this environment because it represents a commitment to the future while the coalition partners are consumed by the present. Thank you for your time, and I hope that you will enjoy the paper, and I look forward to engaging your comments.